Coming up next, we are going to see what is the use of remove variable and find reference in the same environment variable section. So remove variable is a straightforward and simple one where it is used to delete the environment variable whichever you have selected. Next to that, you have option called find reference. Find references is used to show which process or object where the current variable is getting referred. So it is used to find the spot or the place where exactly this has been used. If it is not used anywhere, you will be able to see in the pop-up saying that it is not referred anywhere. So it is easy to identify where it has been called. So I'm going to show you in Blue Prism for using these two options where you will be able to find the difference exactly. So we are back again to Blue Prism control tab, which is from there we have to go to systems tab and select the place where you want to have the environment variable. So I'm going to go to the process environment variable, and in that I'm going to select one of the environment variable to perform the action, which is a remove and find reference. So first we will see what is find reference. So I'm going to use this environment variable and click find reference. So as soon as you click find reference, you will be having a pop-up with find reference saying like no reference to environment variable create run type is found, which means this environment variable is not used or referred anywhere in your process or object. So when you don't have any references, you are going to get a pop-up as I showed in the screenshot. So now coming to the next one, which is a remove variable. Remove variable, we have seen how to delete that one, and then next to that we have a find reference. So select the variable which you want to find the reference. I have selected the above one and click find reference. So as soon as you click find reference, you will get a pop-up showing finding the reference. So in this pop-up, we can be able to see which process it is. So it is BP04 structured data, and the description for the process is Excel input. So we have option to do to find where it has been referred. And you have option to view also. You can click the view option so that you can be able to see exactly the place where this has been referred. So these are the two options which is used to find the reference of the environment variable in systems tab, and you can delete the environment variable as well. So that's it for this environment variable section. So see you in the next part.